Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my app called Macy, which stands for Mobile Assistant Control Elements. Macy is an offline voice command assistant for Android. What that means is you can control your entire phone just by speaking, and the best part is it works without internet. No cloud, no subscription, no data needed. Pay once and you get lifetime access and lifetime support. When you open the app, Macy will do the rest, like setting up the offline voice command for you. And when you inside the app, you just have a two menu. First is the home, which is the microphone here. Also the morning routine feature. And the second one is the settings. On the settings, we will see the supported commands, privacy policy, and about. Also, one of my favorite feature here is the floating voice button. To enable to use this floating voice button, all you need to do is to enable it. Just like that. Then the floating button show up. Now, let's try the app commands. The first thing you can do is open any app by saying its name. Watch this. Let's say open camera. And just like that, the camera opens instantly. Works with any app installed on your phone. You don't need to remember package names or anything complicated. Just say the name naturally and Miss figures it out. Now, I also want to highlight the feature of floating command button. Even if the Macy app is closed, the floating command button is still there and you can still use it. Also, you can move it anywhere on your screen. Let's open another application. Open Mobile Legends. Then, just like that. Next is the device control. Also, Macy can control your hardware device. Like, it can control your volume, flashlight, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So let's try. Volume 50%. Volume 100%. Mute. Also, let's try to open the flashlight. Flashlight on. And see, the flashlight is on. Flashlight off. And see, the flashlight is turned off. Macy has a capacity to research anything for you. Just tell to Macy what you want to research. Search Cobra. So you don't need manually go to the Google browser and type the item or things you want to search. Just tap the button and tell Macy what you want to search, then it will search it for you, or Macy search it for you. Also, Macy can navigate the location, or also Macy can navigate the location. Let's try. Go to Mikaratansa. Then Macy will open the Google Map for you, and it will also redirect you to the location you want to go, something like that. So it is much easier to navigate from one place to another by just tapping the button and say the location you want to go. So that's Macy, as simple as fast offline voice command assistant for Android. No internet required, no subscription, no complicated setup. And here's the best part. It's a one-time payment with lifetime access and lifetime support. You pay once, you own it forever. No hidden fees, no monthly charges, ever. And this is just version 1. We have a lot of exciting updates planned for the future. Things like reading your notification and messages out loud, sending SMS by voice with full message dictation, and much more. So if you download now, you'll get all featured updates for free forever. If you find this useful, please leave a review on the Play Store. It really helps the app reach more people. Mix is available now on Google Play. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.